How to make money with HB Naturals. There are several ways to make money with HB Naturals. Here are a few ways. Sell products. You can sell HB Naturals products directly to customers and earn a commission on each sale. As a distributor, you can purchase products at a discounted price and then sell them at the retail price to customers. Recruit new distributors. You can also earn money by recruiting new distributors to join your team. As your team grows, you can earn commissions on their sales and the sales of their downline. Build a team. You can also earn money by building a team of distributors and helping them grow their businesses. As you help your team members succeed, you can earn bonuses and commissions on their sales. Bonuses and incentives. HB Naturals also offers various bonuses and incentives for achieving certain sales goals or for reaching certain levels within the company. To succeed with HB Naturals, it's important to have a solid marketing plan, build a strong network, and provide excellent customer service to your clients. It's also important to stay up to date with the latest product information and industry trends to help you sell and recruit more effectively.